left way, and now I'm going to a highway which is 1214. So from 50 kilometers I have to take a right, and then the highway will start and it will lead me to a national park kind of a thing. And after crossing that, maybe not today, tomorrow, or at the end of tomorrow, I will reach Phumna. That's the plan. Where I have to stay today is still not decided. I mean, I don't know. On the map, I cannot see the villages, and here the villages, I don't see any hotel. That's cozy. I was going and then I saw a cow, which the rope of the cow is like stuck in some bushes, and she was like, oh, oh. So I took a U-turn to help her. Then when I tried to go near the rope where they stuck, my leg goes into the mud. Half of the leg is in the mud. And then I pull the rope and the cow starts going, and then the owner of the car running, the old lady coming like, who opened it? And then I started running. किसी की भैंस खोल दी मैंने भाई. Got the water. This was the last petrol pump of this road, and this one doesn't have the petrol, only diesel. So this road has a problem. So there's only one petrol pump and it was on, but they didn't fill my petrol in that. They sent me to this retail one, and there is no markup in this like how much he is filling it. So 1.5 liter he put, and he said like he put 2 liters in that. Then I have a water bottle here which is for 1.5 liters. Then he said he put 2 liters in that. How can he put 2 liters in a 1.5 liter bottle? Idiot बनाते हैं बहनचोद. कभी कभी तो गुस्सा आ जाता है. Firefighter statue. So I have reached my camping spot. See, so many windmills. So many windmills are here. नदी जा रही है, पीछे भी है. Back side of me, windmills. Front, windmills. Open sky with the river. Today I'm gonna pitch my tent here. So this is the stay. I was in last night. First I was thinking to do the camping, but suddenly when I was about to camp, there's a lot of fog which taken over the whole area, and then I had a gut feeling not to do that. So I shifted into this place. Like this is the last option that I got. Like whatever option, it will be fine for the night. So today the plan is to go to Phong Nhong, the place where the biggest caves in the world. I don't know I will do the caves or not, but it's around 200 kilometers from the mountains, more than 200. And like yesterday, day before yesterday, always like 200, 200, 200 on this bike. So already the body is a little bit hurting, but you have to do this. Yep, leaving this place just for a night. And there's one very famous cafe also. It has a ticket to go up. I didn't went there. I was so tired. And ये देखो सब टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चला रहे हैं यहाँ पे. हमें नहीं जान दे रहे, सब टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चला रहे. So after taking the left from this side, I will be on the longest route. It's like 94 kilometers, one point. Then another, today it will be more than 200 kilometers. Because I'm not gonna use my mobile because there is no cut. Some days are like that, 200 each day, and my back is hurting because of this bike. That's why you need to have a comfortable bike. Mine is not that. The shotguns are bad. So guys, this route which I am doing is, it is said that
we will not find the petrol. Well, this should not be a problem, but the bike capacity of petrol is only 3 liters. I mean, if I had my own bike, which I ride at home, it has a 12-liter capacity. I can go to 350 kilometers in one time. Then though I have no problem. Now it's like 200 kilometers stretch and no petrol. Then it's a problem. Every corner of the mountain there's some cold. Every corner of the mountain there's some hot. And right now there's so much of good smell. Ah, it's tree smell. So let's go. Can't stand as if my camera will on. अरे बहन तो गई हड़द नहीं लगी मेरी गेंद में दर्द हो रहा है धीरे धीरे पूरा मेरा बैग गिर गया वापस आ गया थैंक गॉड पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया पेट्रोल रुक जा
em ní chút cho khách khách đến ơi